In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how you can create your Amazon affiliate links just in few steps. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, I already have an Amazon affiliate account, as you can see over here, and it's showing $0 in commission. I just created this account to show you guys how you can create your Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do first is you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate. If you don't have, just go to Google, search for Amazon affiliate, click on Amazon Associate Central and sign up by using your email address and you just need to follow a few steps and that's it. After you finish, this will be your account and you should have an account like this one with Amazon affiliate. So to create your Amazon affiliate link, what you need to do is you need to go to amazon.com like this and you will be directly in this page. Scroll down and choose, so you just need to choose the product that you want to promote. So for example, I'm gonna choose for example, okay, let me see. I'm gonna choose this one. So I will just click on the product that I want to promote. You will be directly in this page over here and choose which product. So let's choose this one. I'm gonna click on this one like this. You just need to go to the product page that you want to promote, okay, like this. Okay, so as you can see, I want to promote this product and I want to create a affiliate link for this product. What you need to do, so after you finish your sign up process on Amazon affiliate, like I said, you should see this bar on your Amazon account like this one, okay, as you can see over here. So what you will do, click over here on text. Okay, so just click on text like this and you copy the generated link and paste it into your website. Here you go. This is your affiliate link. What you will do, you just need to copy this link. Okay, this is your affiliate link. Your Amazon affiliate link is already created. Okay, that's how you can create your Amazon affiliate link just in few steps. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment and see you in my next video.